more I think about this question, what is a teacher, I think about what a teacher is not. But when I think about what a teacher is not, I think about somebody that is a bad example. But then I realized a bad example can also be a lesson. So someone that portrays something good or bad can be a teacher. On one hand, you have a teacher that teaches a kid something useful like karate or judo or hockey or something like that. But then, on the other hand, you've got an alcoholic role model. This is a bad teacher. This is the type of teacher that you strive to steer away from. A teacher is an influential figure in someone's life. A teacher is an embodiment of values, good or bad. A teacher doesn't have to be a human being. This is a turtle. This turtle is my teacher. He teaches me to always be guarded, to be alert, and to hide when there is danger. Thank you, turtle, for that lesson. This door is locked, so I need to find a teacher to let me in. Any ideas, turtle? Nope. Guess I gotta go around the back. While talking about teachers, I seem to have locked myself out, so I'm gonna find another entrance, and maybe a teacher will be able to help me. Hopefully they're one of the positive, influential teachers I was talking about, and they will be a good example and let me in. Although if they're one of the negative examples I was mentioning, then I have learned my lesson, and indeed, the teacher was adequate. Thank you.